In front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now select Google. When you're ready, select All Services right next to Recommended. Scroll down again and this time click on Autofill with Google. Now it's time to operate this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google, and thanks to it, turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!